Welcome back to Sayogini, and I hope you guys are doing well. So maybe you have a desk job and you have to sit for long hours at your desk, or maybe you've been looking at your phone for too long. Maybe in general you have stiffness in your shoulders. Then if any of these reasons are valid for you, then you are at the right place. This flow is going to help you. So today we will be focusing on chest opening and upper body mobility. Also, we will be using blocks to keep things comfortable and accessible. So let's begin. Get onto your mat, keep your block on the mat, and I want you to sit on your block. So sit on your block in cross-legged position. Get comfortable. Keep your palms on your thighs, sit tall, keep your spine tall. Take a deep breath here. Now, inhaling, I want you to arch your back and lift your chest up, take your shoulders back. And exhaling, I want you to round your back and tuck your chin in. Inhaling, arch your back. Exhaling, round your back. Inhaling, arch your back. Exhaling, round your back. Inhaling, arch your back. Exhaling, round your back. One last time. Inhaling, arch your back. Exhaling, hunch your back. Now slowly come back to neutral position. Keep your spine tall. Now I want you to kneel down on your mat. So get onto your mat. Kneel down. Keep your blocks beside your ankles for support. And I have kept it this way so that I can get the maximum height out of this block for support. Now I want you to slowly bend behind. Keep your left palm on your left block and stretch your right hand out. Now slowly bring back your right hand and come back to kneeling down position. Now keep your right hand on your right block and slowly stretch your left hand out. Now slowly bring your left hand back and come back to kneeling down position. We will do this 2 more times. Taking support of your left, keep your left hand back. Stretch your right hand out. Get back. Keep your right palm on the block and stretch your left hand out. Get back. Once again. Stretch as much as possible. Very good. Nice and slow. Keep breathing. Okay. Now come back. And now I want you to slowly take both your hands back. Try to touch the blocks. Take support of the block. And now try to stay here for 10 counts. You can drop your head behind if it is comfortable for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly come back to kneeling down position. After coming back to kneeling down position, I want you to sit back on your heels. Make some distance between your knees. Keep a block in front of you and bend down in child pose. You can keep your head on the block and relax. Keep breathing. Relax yourself. Close your eyes. Now slowly come back. Come back to sitting. Come back to being seated. Get seated on the mat and keep a block behind you like this. Now this block should come below your shoulder when you lie down. So slowly we will take support of our hand and lie down. Now slowly you can adjust your block where you want, mostly below your shoulders, and then bend back and relax over here. Keep your hands on your belly. Feel your chest opening up slowly. You can close your eyes and stay here. Relax your whole body. Keep breathing. Notice how your body feels. Now slowly taking support of your hands, try to raise your head up and slowly remove the block from underneath and keep it at your side. Now keep your head back on the ground. Bend your knees, bring your feet closer to your chest and raise your feet up and tightly hug your knees. And you can roll on some side to side to give a good massage to your lower back. You can close your eyes. Stay here. Feel the massage in your lower back. Now slowly bring your feet down. You can open your eyes and roll onto one side. And then taking support of your hand, get up. We did chest opening asanas today, and with the support of blocks, it just feels so supportive and safe and not stressful. You can come back to this video anytime you feel like you need to open up your shoulders or your chest or your upper back, and trust me, you'll feel better. So thank you for practicing with me. This is a 21-day yoga habit building series. So if you have missed the earlier videos, I'm going to link them over here. Do check out the whole playlist, and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.